Ang bilis! Natakot yan! Ang ginagawa nito. Happy naman yun. Showbreak 6 Episode 5 SB19 at Hong Kong Disneyland Most Magical Party, mga madam sir. Ito, may bagong upload ang ating mahalima, no? So matagal-tagal din bago nag-upload ng Showbreak ang ating mahalima nga po, no? This time ito na po, samahan nyo po akong panoorin to, no? So medyo mahaba-haba yung pinakang video, 39 minutes and 16 seconds po. So samahan nyo po ako dito mula umpisa. Mag-enjoy po tayo sa panonood nito, no? So first time kong panonoorin to, wala pa akong idea sa nilalaman nito, pero syempre since Showbreak po yan, ay matik alam naman na po natin yan na masaya to. Since nasa Disneyland nga po sila. Okay yan. So tara mga madam sir, samahan niyo po ako dito. Let's go! E-play na agad natin to. Yes, Showbreak 6. Let's go! The happiest place on earth. Happy on earth. Waiting times ahead.
Welcome to Showbreak! As you can see, we're here sa Hong Kong Disneyland because ang anniversary nila ay pang 20 na.
20 na? Grabe, kasi edad ko na pa.
20th anniversary.
Kasi edad ko na.
Ah, talaga?
Oo, kasi kakapon lang sa mga
Edad ko na plus 11.
Naglumak na ulit, 20 na.
It's 20th anniversary of Hong Kong Disneyland. That's why we're here. And hindi lang yun. Hindi lang nagtatapos yun.
Nagkataon.
Ano bang meron ngayon? Ilang taon na ba ang SB19?
Yes!
Ang SB19 ay nagsa-celebrate ng
7 years!
7 years!
Yun talaga ang reason. Nandito tayo sa Hong Kong Disneyland para i-celebrate at magsaya ang SB19.
Natutuwa nga ako kasi first time talaga ng SB19 mapunta dito sa Hong Kong Disneyland. Gusto ko kasi sumakay na rides. Sabi nga ni Ken kanina, excited na daw siya mag-extreme rides.
Excited
rides.
Never! Never! Naalala ko lang, ano to, soft hours.
Yeah, soft hours.
Soft hours. Nung mga panahon na lugmong-lugmo tayo.
Lugmo? Lugmo? Lugmok?
May K.
Lugmok na lugmok tayo. Kaya pumunta tayo sa mga sa isang amusement park din. Tapos doon sumakay talaga si Ken ng rides, pinanood natin.
Napanood ko yan.
And we're here celebrating our 7th anniversary. Outside the country na.
Level up na talaga.
May budget na.
Anyway,
ano yun?
Record.
Ayan
ano
na.
to?
Ayan na mission.
Meron na naman tayo panibagong mga mission sa ngayong araw na to.
Basta naman birthday boy.
Birthday boy. Sa
Birthday
pagse-celebrate ng 7th year anniversary ng SB19, isasama nyo pag-celebrate ang 18 sa Hong Kong Disneyland during its 20th anniversary. Kasama natin ang
Kasama ang 18.
Ito sila?
So,
ibig sabihin,
gagala tayo.
Sama tayo.
Madami tayo ngayon. Okay.
Dami niyong kasama.
Para mabigay sa kanila ang best experience, kailangan nyo sumagot ng 5 riddles para malaman kung saan ang few of the best attractions sa Hong Kong Disneyland. Okay na. Pero ano bang catch dito? Bawat tamang sagot, kailangan nyong gawin ang challenge na nakakabit dito para makuha ng star.
magpabay star.
Ano meron sa star?
I've been shooting for the stars.
Okay.
Kinantay, no?
Ay, pala yun.
Kapag
Yun pala
nakaipon kayo ng 5 star, sa inyo na ang Disneyland. Ay!
Grabe ha, iba yung papremyo ha.
Nagkamali.
Ang laki ng papremyo.
Akin yung castle
Kapag nakaipon kayo ng 5 stars, 5 lucky 18 ang makakakuha ng special gifts mula sa
Yes, makakuha kayo ng gift.
Napapansin ko kahit birthday, anniversary, lahat ng pinagpapagura natin, hindi tayo nakakakuha ng regalo.
Puro
Hindi
easy.
yung last time, di ba? Nakapag-parallax kayo. Ito ang dalawa.
nakapag-relax nga
Nanalo
pala.
sila, di ba? Nagpamassage kayo.
Pero yun nga, di ba? Siyempre, gano'n naman tayo. Tayo namuhay para siyempre.
Magsilbi.
That's right.
Yes, magbigay.
Para sa inyo.
That's right.
Di ba?
Huwag sa
Ano
pagiging
pang
guardian sila.
hintay nyo?
At dahil dyan,
At dahil dyan, Ayun, pumasok na yung first riddle natin. Ito yung first riddle. An a cappella song must be sung while gliding with the sleigh sliding. Gliding with the
Ilaluha.
sleigh sliding.
Ilaluha a cappella.
Okay, ito pa ang sinabi niya. When you wander in the forest, find the ride that shows you the scenery of Arendelle.
It's Frozen.
Frozen?
Frozen
So, World of Frozen.
The world of Frozen. It's Arendelle.
Yes.
So what are we waiting for? Let's hop up on.
Hop up on this rocket.
Let's go! Doon agad ah.
Let's go! Okay, nandito na tayo sa Disneyland!
World of Frozen. We're here in Arendelle.
Arendelle.
Oh my God. This is my dream place.
What's that? Another riddle? Oh, this is the riddle, the first mission that we need to do.
Ride the wandering oaken sliding sleighs and sing a chorus of shooting for the stars
In
a
Acapella.
on the ride.
Mm.
Oh, that's very easy.
Very easy ah.
Let's ride.
While doing the choreography.
No,
just
diba,
Wag naman.
always safety first. Kailangan nakahawa.
Alright, so what are we waiting for? Let's ride the wandering.
Galing ng mga ano nila oh. Di ba? Si Mickey oh. Di ba, Mickey Mouse. Tapos to si ano to. Basta pusa yan.
Oaken sliding sleighs. Let's go.
Bulaklakan yun. Josh.
5, 6, 7, 8. Hop up on the rocket.
Okay. Welcome to the world of Frozen. Dati na sila nakapunta rito eh, di ba? Tandaan kayo, nagawa pa rin yun. Paras ko rin yan. Pabali pang ilan na kaya napunta to? Hindi lang siguro pangalawa na natin. Ayun.
So I ain't worried.
Okay.
See the light.
Yan.
Yes, sir!
Yes, sir! Right muna.
Oh, yeah!
Here we go!
Airport Tower go. Ayan na. Okay? Banding sa nindad. Banding sa nindad. Justice banding. Okay na si bro. Sino kasama ni Ken? May kasabay si Ken na iba. Ay no, kasi dala-dalawa kasi yung ano, so may kasabay si Ken. May kasabay siyang isa. Perfect.
Di man ako gumalaw yung bangs mo.
That was so cool.
Yabang ah.
We need to do it again.
Yes! Successful!
So we just finished riding Wandering Oaken Sliding Sleigh. Feeling ko naman nakakanta lahat kanina. Hindi naman kayo nakakanta.
Nakakanta naman.
First star! First star!
Sino ako na magsusuot ng
Alam
star?
niyo, kita-kita ko yung star bagay na bagay. Sa suot ni Stel.
Mickey.
It matches.
Ano nga yung suot ko? Ako pa to.
Yes!
Hindi nyo man lang pinahuli.
First!
No sweat. No sweat.
Congratulations!
Is there any...
sweat.
Oh!
Another riddle!
Other mission.
Let's read it.
Oh, so the second riddle, a place where 14 princesses and queens tales unite, stands tall and majestic in day and in night. Stand with your family and friends and echo a moment that's built to last.
Princesses? 14.
So maybe sa castle! Let's go! Let's go!
Kulitin. Alam mo nga bata talaga eh. Oh. Castle of Magical Dreams.
That was really enjoyable, no?
Ang tindi ng biyahe natin sa rocket.
Yes.
Ngayon, nandito na tayo sa tapat ng
Castle of Magical Dreams.
Ay! May mission na naman.
May mission na naman.
Sabi ko.
Yan sinasabi ko.
Mission
Sinasabi ko.
number 2.
Ano pala tayo?
Pala tayo.
Okay, sige. Let's
Okay.
Okay, sige.
Three
Tante Pablo,
iconic
no?
poses of your song in front the Castle of Magical Dreams with all the members.
Oh!
Three.
3 poses lang.
Oh, that's so easy.
That's so easy. Come na.
Unang kanta ay Gento. Shooting for the Stars, Gento.
Shooting for the
Shooting
stars
for the
na.
Stars. Okay, Shooting for the Stars.
Ganon, 5, 6,
6,
7. Shooting for the stars, aiming high.
Galing.
Okay, second ay Gento.
5, 6, 7, 8.
What about the third?
Doon ka.
Yeah, go up.
5. At doon ka?
Pare,
Go up. Go up.
Okay, iconic. Yung, sige na lang.
5, 6,
Yeah, we gotta go up.
Yo!
Success agad. Basic.
Who's gonna wear the second star? Star of the group.
Okay, sige.
Okay, star of the group. Yeah!
Second bunot.
Ito na.
Bunot.
Oh, may mission na naman.
Okay, third below. In a shrinking hero's fight, where blasters flash with blinding light, your total score must reach the height of 1,000 thousands burning bright.
Ay,
Alam mo kung saan yan?
Where is it?
It's the world of Buzz Lightyear,
Saan
no?
kaya?
No, it's in Tomorrowland.
Tomorrowland?
Tomorrowland.
Oh, yeah, there's
Ano
one
na
there.
Hyperspace.
Hyperspace Mountain.
Hindi daw, hindi.
Oh, try to read it again.
In a shrinking.
In a shrinking hero's fight. Maliit.
Ant-Man! Ant-Man!
Ah,
Yes, Ant-Man!
So, in Tomorrowland nga yun.
Is it
So,
the Tomorrowland
ka.
ay, yung barilan!
We should hop up on the
Alright.
rocket. 5, 6, 7, go.
Wait! There's no gas. Okay, gas muna natin.
Nagpagasino.
5, 6, 7, 8. Hop up on this rocket.
Nagpagasino. Ant-Man no.
So
Ang
right
saya.
now,
Ang saya niya.
ng Tomorrowland.
Yes, sir.
Kasi sabi Sir Rendell, this is the place where we need to go.
Oh my
So
God.
ano bang meron dito sa Tomorrowland?
Eh di, walang iba kundi Ant-Man.
Ayan na yung mission.
Oh, may na-register
letter.
tayo. Ayan, mission 3.
Sabi mo.
Right, yan. Ang liit. Parang langgam.
Parang langgam. Yun na yun eh. Langgam talaga.
Battle and score a total of $2 million.
$2 million?
In total as a team.
Wow!
Magulat eh, no?
Yes, I believe in
Sigulutan
ourselves.
eh.
We just need teamwork, guys. Shooting for.
Yeah, let's go! Shield. Teleporter mission. Dito masaya si bro. Si bro. Action star. Ayun no?
Let's go! Let's go!
Let's go! Banding lang talaga. Inala ko yan sila.
Kami mga 400,000.
Namamaral sila? Ano mga binabaral nila?
463,000. Tingnan natin kung ano. Pasok. My score is 563,300. That's the high score ever.
Siya ay win. Okay, tapos na? Ano mga binaral nila?
How much is your score?
How much your score?
Anong binaral nila?
Oh, pwede. Hindi ka.
Na para bang entrance supernational hero.
Hero yan, no?
Lantok. Inantok si
Just
Ja.
finished our mission.
Yeah.
We had a total of
And guess what?
2.1 million plus points. Ano ba ba na ang 1 million doon ay akin?
Anyway, no matter what happens, manalo pa rin tayo kasi naka 2 million tayo. Let's go!
Dahil dyan, meron na naman
Success
tayo.
naman.
Another star! And who's to wear this star?
Si Kuya Joe!
Kuya Josh.
Alright,
Kuya Josh.
we're down to 2 more stars
Yep.
so that we can finish this mission.
Okay, so this is our fourth riddle.
Oh my
Oh my god. Okay, beware of a great big bear beyond the gulch it glares. Forward and backwards it will take you, so hold tight. You might turn blue.
So, what might be the
What does it
answer?
mean?
Big Bear!
Grizzly Gulch? Oh! I think
Grizzly Gulch.
Is that correct? Are we correct?
Correct. Shall we go?
Puro ride sila, no? Lizzy Gulk.
Okay! Nandito na
Okay.
tayo sa pinakamalupit
Bilis, ah.
na
Yeah,
Grizzly Lookout. Ano nga ba
Rawr.
pupuntahan natin?
Grizzly God. This is a canyon.
Big Grizzly Mountain.
Ayun, sabi siya.
Okay.
Alright,
Mission 4.
mission number 4.
Hop on the big Grizzly Mountain, run away, mine cars, ride.
Puro rides, no?
Just ride, nothing, nothing.
No challenge?
No challenge.
It looks scary, actually.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy. So what are we waiting for?
Ako pa this rocket, let's go!
Ang kulit talaga ni Pablo. Ang bata eh, no? Let's go, SB!
We're going to ride Grizzly Gulch.
Nag-i-enjoy lang talaga sila eh, no? Para sa show break, sasakay siya. Sasakay siya.
Oh my God! Hello, bye-bye! Let's
Bye.
go! Let's go!
Ang role niya today, anak mong nasa rides during field trip. Magulan na nag-video sa
I can't do this!
Let's go, SB. Grizzly Gulch. Uy, nasisira yung bangs ko.
Ba't sitira yung bangs na?
Let's go!
Hey! Ayan, no? Puro ride sila, oh. Diba? Bakasyon talaga, pero show break talaga, as in, no? Show break.
Ba't nahihilo na ako agad? Wala pa nga. Ito na.
Ah, solo-solo?
Let's go, boy! Let's go!
Napatas! Patas sila. Oh. Parang pumapasok sa minahan, ha?
right?
Okay, kaya mo. Ang bilis! Natakot yan! Gats yan, bilis! Ang ginagawa nito. Ang syala. Wala lang, oh.
Let's go! Let's go!
Happy naman yun. Kailan?
Best ride ever.
Wala, tumagos. Ano yun?
It's fine.
That's too fast, bro.
Even if you fell down, we succeeded.
Kala ko talaga dumiretso.
Yes!
So we just finished our mission, and thankfully we did it.
Okay.
That's why we deserve.
Successfully.
Mission
We
4
deserve.
I was so scared, like, I was like,
Tumbling, no?
Show us how scared.
Okay, but since we succeeded their mission, we should have our reward!
Yeah.
oh,
Today,
that's a
another
fourth one.
star that we have.
This is a fourth one,
Last
right?
mission na.
Thank you for this. Singing!
But those challenges are so easy. Are there any more challenges that we're going to receive? Oh, they have another one. They have another one.
Is this another riddle?
Yeah, this is the 5th riddle.
Fifth riddle, the fifth riddle. In a long day of Mary and Paul, We show you the lips of hungry
Oh, it's
adults.
food.
Lucky meals await in a saloon. Oh, great. Don't forget to try them all, or else the mission will fail.
Oh my goodness.
Food
Select mission.
Is this even a challenge?
Okay.
My goodness.
So are we going to eat?
I can see
The
it.
challenge.
It's the Lucky Nugget Saloon.
Oh, yeah, let's go!
Nugget sa loop. Kanya-kanya racket na sila. Nabalikid na yung racket nila.
So, nandito na po kami ngayon sa tapat ng Lucky Nugget Saloon. And sabi, tumatang
Yay!
gamer.
Huwag na effects eh.
Dito natin ma-receive ang ating last mission.
Oh, I'm
Ayun, mission!
kinda
Ang bilis talaga ng mission.
nervous right
Gusto talaga
now.
ng mission.
What could be our last mission?
Buy and eat from the Lucky Nugget Saloon.
Oh my god, that's so hard to do.
Oh my God, my child. Try and taste their new snack menu set. Oh, their new snack menu.
There's a new set.
Kaya naman.
I feel like this is a
That's
mission.
crazy.
It's more like
Uy,
a
may nakatingin
reward.
sa kanila.
So what are we waiting for? Let's get our reward.
Ang dami na ngayon. Naku na din sa'yo. Food trip na. Kakainin na si ano.
We finally have here our reward because
Mission.
That's our
Mission.
mission.
Pato.
What feels like a reward?
Hindi pa reward. Akala niya reward
Ang
na.
catch dito,
Mission
bawal
na pala.
mabusog. Alright?
Alam mo catch dito? Bawal mo muya.
Bawal ngumuya.
I think that
Bawal ngumuya.
Kailangan na natin bilisan kumain dahil we're very
Kaya po,
hungry.
puro
And we want to
kailangan nyo yung lunok lang, walang nguya. Hirap nun.
Saka parang ano,
Look at this one.
saka parang umuulan.
Ito nga pala ang mga bagong pagkain here sa Lucky Nugget Saloon.
As you can see,
Promote
there's
na promote,
truffle
ah.
fries, there's Dale, there's chips, and there's chip again, and there's shrimp.
There's noodles, chip and dale, and
Churros.
fish and chips, and ice cream. So, let's go!
Yo!
Super perfect. I love the food. If you go here to Disneyland, you should try this, guys. For snack, para quick break lang.
Tapos ride na ulit.
Basta masasabi ko, their churros is their number one.
And since we've been successful so far, we always hit, we didn't miss, not even once. So we're gonna have
Wow!
our last
Reward!
star.
Another star.
This is our 5th star, and I think I deserve this because I'm not used to riding extreme rides. So
We acquired all of our stars,
Success
and
na agad.
finally, we are done with this mission. We enjoyed the food? So what are we waiting for? Let's go to our next mission! Let's go!
Basic. Enjoy tayo nga. Bita! Haba pa ng video. Nakain na yung ano, karakter. Time to enjoy the rest. Disneyland. Kaya dyan, no? Barkada mong nag-Disneyland after school. After school eh, no? Baka nag-cutting class. It's time, the friend. Tastic Parade! Hey! Uy! Parang itsurang mga Pinoy ah. Hello? Yeah! Bibigay na eh. Binalik, kinuha pa. O, di si ano, Kung Fu ano? Kung Fu Panda. Si Tiger. Oh, Tupi. Diba? Anong ano ba yun? Anong show break ba yun, mga madam sir, no? Yung napanood ko na to. Tagal na yun, nandun sila sa ano? Disneyland din, no? So, ganito rin yun, ganito rin na may show break sila napanood ko. So, di ko lang matandaan kung anong taon yun or anong basta. Sulatin to. Lucky, oh. Lucky.
Lang din pa, since birthday mo ngayon, magbigay ka ng 5 wish na tigwa 1 word lang.
5 wish?
May 5 wish ka na tigwa 1 word lang.
Oh my God! Hirap na. Money!
Money.
Money!
Money talaga.
Tapos, 5 wish. Food! Pwede yung tatlo, installment.
Installment.
Kayo na lang, quick lang kung anong pwede mong
Happy.
Give! And the fourth one, rest!
Alright.
And the last one, I guess, fun!
Fun. Fun. Happy
Hirap
ako.
naman nun, 5 words.
Fun. Meet and greet with Mickey Mouse. Ang payat ni Mickey Mouse dito, ah. Okay. Hello, Mickey.
We have a secret video for our birthday boy, Pablo. And here's the secret mission. Read it, Josh Cullen.
Kailangan yung bilhin ang nasa wishlist ni Pablo na hindi niya nalalaman. Ito ay ibibigay nyo sa kanya sa end ng episode.
Yung pala yun.
Okay.
It's birthday ni Pablo, no? Next birthday mo naman, Josh, no?
Isa kaming mission.
Feel ko makakabalik na siya before pa natin
Dali bago dumating. Ay, sobra.
Okay. Isa sa mga wishlist niya ay bibilin ko ay rest. Rest. Paano ko bibilin yun?
Masahihin mo, ganun. Massage. Massage. Sa'yo? Bibigyan mo ng pera. Sa akin ay something fun. It's so easy.
Basic.
I just need to make him laugh.
Nag-joke lang yan si Ja.
Finally, kitang-kita naman sa mukha namin, super energetic kami ngayon kasi kakatapos lang namin kumain. And syempre, ngayon naman, nandito kami sa Disney Emporium para mag-shopping. Para kanina ba yung pag-shopping natin?
Siyempre para sa mga pinakamamahal nating 18.
Ating 18, laging kasali.
Para sa kanila lang palagi.
Pero ang catch dyan, meron lang tayong 15 minutes para maglibot dito and meron lang tayong 200 Hong Kong dollars to buy the gifts that we want to give to 80.
So, one gift? One gift each? Okay. So, ano ba yung natin?
Let's go!
Enjoy na naman sila. Higi. Ano kaya may bili nila?
Parang I want it for myself.
I think this is the gift that's what you give because I like Buzz Lightyear and this motto to infinity and beyond, and just like us, we're shooting for the stars.
Amerika. Thor kay Thor yan. Malakul. Thor! My Thor! Mighty Thor. Ay. Maon yan yun. Himok yun ha.
Yeah, ay, ito. Ito. No?
Okay, tigisa tayo. Muntik na. Muntik na daw. Baka mabubuking. Doon ka muna, Pablo. Bumibili ako ng gift mo eh. Oh, mabubuking pa eh.
Parang nangangas nito. Red Hawk. Kasi di ba parang paggalit sila, pwede na natin gamitin.
Tago na siguro.
Para match kami. Tapos Baymax. Black Panther.
Angas oh. Kahit talaga anong sombrero suot mo kin, bagay sa'yo eh. Saya ng ganyan, no? Saya ng ganyan. Nakakamiss mag-shopping. Yehey!
Ayan, maganda yan.
Daming camera pala nila. Ayun.
Kasi ako ganun ako eh.
Parang malis, parang mga miniature.
Parang feeling ko.
So I think, maswerte yung mga kwa kasi sobrang cute ng mga nasa likod.
Dalawa yung sombrero ni Kino. Saan ang mga day ones kaya? Ano? Ang cute yung mga top toys, oh.
Chip and Dale, because they both like money, peanut. Instead of giving him some money, they won't give him money. Good job. Good job.
Money.
Bought this for Pablo.
Money, no?
So, hindi niya alam na gift ko to para sa kanya. So, yeah.
Surprise si Pablo rito, ah. Mukhang ano daw?
Yes! Alright, we're done shopping for 18. Yeah. And why not? Let's explain what are the gifts.
Pala.
Okay, originally, I was hoping for something useful, magagamit lang for everyday. Pero as soon as I saw Buzz Lightyear, I thought about shooting for the stars. Na gusto ko pag nakikita nila to, they're inspired to shoot for the stars as well. Kasi sabi ni Buzz Lightyear, to infinity and beyond. So,
galing talaga Pablo, ah.
Sa akin naman, binili ko itong mga miniatures kasi sobrang dami nila. And alam mo yun, it's something na pwede na i-decorate sa auto nila. Tapos sobrang cute. Pwede nilagay, meron silang bahay-bahay na gagawa silang bahay-bahay. So, you know, just too cute. And I think it's something that they could, you know, I could be remembered every time na makikita nila to. Remember nila ako.
Sweet naman.
Mine is I am your father.
Tatay niyo, tatay niyo.
Let's say I am your daddy.
I am your daddy. I am your father.
Bro, that looks so sick.
Darth Vader.
Looks sick.
It's a mess, it's a mess.
Parang gusto ko na i-try.
Maging daddy ka.
Hindi.
Okay. And for me, I have a Baymax shirt kasi para matchy-matchy kami. Kasi they are my bae. And my hero. Baymax. Sana masuot nila sa concert. Para match lang kasi yung concept ko ngayon. Dito na sila, ni Donald Duck. So nakita ko si Donald Duck, sakto rin, huggable siya. Since nagtutour kami, yung 18 din naman. They do tour as well. Parang kung nasan kami, nandun din sila. So, magagamit nila to sa airport para magpang-travel. And one more thing, of course, kinuha ko to kasi I'm a duck. Donald Duck. Donald Duck, I'm a duck.
Nagulat sila, ba't anong duck?
Bayaran na natin kasi baka tayo. Let's pay for it. Let's go!
Parang iba yun, ah. Sabihin na sa isip ko. Anyway. We're watching this. Okay. Yo! Tulad sila. Oh! Silo. Okay, ang haba natin na. 31. Okay. Oh, Enchanted.
What's up? Okay.
Dinner tayo. Dinner naman. Kanina
Feels like I'm in
kumain na
a
sila.
castle.
You know, it's been
Merienda
really a
hindi
great
na.
day. Yeah, we had a long day together, and wow, so exhausting, but it's still fun. What do you think about it, guys?
I'm really hungry.
I'm really hungry as well.
Let's go!
I think we should get food now. Alright!
I deserve my dinner.
There's so many food. This is the best day ever.
Best day ever.
As you can see, they got a lot of food, so it's obvious that we are very hungry. So we need to, you know, to get back our energy.
Ayan na, ayan na. Ayan na, surprise sa birthday boy. Na-surprise siya.
The wish. What's your wish? Disney Hong Kong, this is thank you. I just want to say thank you for like preparing this. I cannot I'm speechless right now because I don't get to celebrate my birthday here in Disneyland and with all these food and with these people. Thank you so much. Oh, your pal, Mickey Mouse. Pluto? What does that mean? Mickey Mouse. Pluto.
Oh, may special visitor. Special visitor, ha? Kaya na naman si Mickey Mouse. Kanina lang kasama nila yun. Minnie Mouse.
Busog na ako sa fireworks. Oo nga, tara na. Busog na tayo.
Yes, pwede tayo malis.
Let's go. Let's go.
Wait! Ito parang hindi na kami na yan. Ginabi na. Sabi yun sa'yo, bento. Oh. Galing. Parang ano lang, no? Parang sa palabas ng mga talaga, no? Yung mga movie ng... Ang mga quantic mo, diba? Oo, grabe, ganda, oh. Parang cinematic, oh.
So that concludes our trip sa Disneyland.
Full day full of fun.
Sobrang ganda. Ang dami natin ginawa.
Maghapon, no?
Everything was magical. Lalo na yung momento. Alam mo, parang maalala mo talaga yung buong pagkabata mo. Kasi lahat ng napanood natin na Disney. At syempre experience natin dito.
It's true that this is the happiest place.
And the magical place.
Gusto ko lang din i-share yung experience ko kasi first time ko na matapos yung buong parang last time nagpunta tayo sa Disneyland. Pero ito yung time na tinapos ko lahat. Sobrang magical pala talaga. Lalo na ito, sobrang na-amaze ako dito sa parang momento.
Kaya't maraming salamat 18 sa pag-celebrate sa amin ng aming 7th anniversary.
Welcome.
Yes, anniversary.
Din ng Disney.
Yes. Happy 20th anniversary.
7 sa Mahalima. 20 Disneyland.
Place na ginawa nyo for everyone. This is such a magical place. I hope everyone gets to enjoy their time here with their family, with their loved ones, and of course, with everyone, even friends.
At dahil sumama kayo sa pag-celebrate sa amin, meron din kami mga regalo para sa inyo.
Paso!
Yung mga nakita yung regalo earlier, pero hindi lang yan. Dahil hindi lang naman 7th anniversary ni SB19 na sineselebrate natin. Hindi lang din 20th anniversary ni Disney, kundi ang birthday ni
Pablo! Papa P.
Dahil dyan, meron kaming mga
Papa
secret task
Pablo.
na gift para kay Pablo. Diba tinanong ka nila ano yung mga wishlist mo? Ano yung mga wishlist mo?
Money, rest, fun.
Dahil doon may isa-isa kaming
Okay.
gift. Katumbas sa mga words na yun. Simulan mo, Stel. Anong word nakuha mo?
Money.
Money.
Yes! Thank you, Lord!
Bakit money?
Ano to? Thank you. Money.
Chip and Dale.
On money.
Di ba ang chipmunk, ano kinakain nila?
Money!
Money.
Hindi kami magkakaroon ng money, pero tutulungan kanila kumuha ng mga money.
Money.
Sa akin naman, pagkarinig ko kasi gun, fun pala. Bumili ako ng gun. Pero, it is something really fun gawin. Alam kong may enjoy mo gamitin to. It's a bubble gun.
Gun pala.
Hinuya.
Okay, thank you. At syempre, sa akin naman sabi mo rest. Napakahirap naman ng rest. Kahit ako walang rest. So, binigyan kita ng... Ano yun? Bako! Elsa! Paghinga!
What?
Okay, next. Sa akin naman.
Walang nakagets. Tawa si Stella. Walang nakagets na. Tawa si Stella.
Yeah. Kasi alam ko mahilig siya mag-cap. Tapos nakalagay dito, hero.
Kaya ano ba yung favorite mo?
Ha? Gift. So bigyan ko lang siya ng gift. Wala lang.
Wala lang.
Anyway, ang sabi ko, give. Kasi on my birthday, I want to give back. So, I'll give it to you. Wala na isa, apat lang yun.
May apat lang kami. Ano regalo mo sa sarili mo? Ano isa na wala?
Masaya naman tayo. Ito na yung regalo.
Yeah! Ano masasabi mo?
Masasabi ko, thank you. Alam mo, sobrang, hindi ko akalain na mag-e-enjoy ako buong araw. Kahit mainit talaga. Hindi ko inakala. Kasi usually, kapag nagpupunta ka sa amusement park, syempre mahaba pila, kumitirik yung araw, parang hindi mo ma-enjoy. Pero so far, as in lahat ng pinuntahan natin, sobrang na-enjoy.
Alam mo, ito yung gift ko sa'yo. Ang dami mo sinakyan na rides kanina, di ba? 5 rides yun.
So, ayun!
Yan naman!
Happy birthday, Papa P!
Yeah.
Happy birthday, Papa P!
Happy
Kuya Pablo, maraming salamat po. Nakaranas kami ng Disneyland yung birthday mo. Pero syempre, para sa inyo naman, ito ang mga bibigay namin regalo.
Thank you so much guys! Maraming salamat sa pagpanood ng Showbreak 6! Hanggang sa uulitin! Paalam!
See you next episode. Okay. Alright, the Showbreak 6 episode 5 SB19 at Hong Kong Disneyland Most Magical Party. Like natin to. Okay, yun. So, mga madam, sir, sana po nag-enjoy po tayo sa 39 minutes or kulang-kulang 40 minutes na video mula sa ating mga po sa kanilang Showbreak 6 episode 5. Yun. So, salamat sa mga nanood mula pa nung umpisa hanggang sa matapos, hanggang sa nakaabot ng video nga po na pinakang dulo na to. No? Okay, thank you so much sa inyo mga madam, sir. Okay, yan. So, kita tayo sa mga sunod na upload. So, thank you so much again. Once again, this is Dog City B. Peace. Cinema out. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.